हेलो एवरीवन एंड हेलो फ्रॉम मिका। एंड देन आज मौसम थोड़ा सा बेहतर था, पूरा हफ्ता बारिश हुई है और अब फाइनली आज सूरज निकला था, बट अब शाम के 5 बज रहे हैं। बट हमारा दिन अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है। यहाँ पे लीसा जो है वो कुछ खाना बना रही है। शी इज माई हाउसमेट एंड शी इज कुकिंग समथिंग वेरी डिलीशियस। बट आज हम जा रहे हैं एक ईद फेस्टिवल में। इट्स गोना बी so good. Let's see. We will go there and we will see how's it. And then we have some
birds here. And then we got one more bird, which is very pretty. And even that one is really colorful. Right now you can see that it's green, but it has a lot of colors. Red, yellow, blue, green, and there was one more as well. So this is the special dish for Dimonde with all these colorful things. And these ones, they are like 5 sets. So this is the right set. And this is the set. And we decorated it. So
let's go to the Eid festival and then I will show you what's next. तो हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं, बट हमारी यहाँ से है कोई 7 मिनट्स की वॉक। 7 मिनट्स की वॉक करके हम पहुंच जाएंगे। लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़। सो मुझे ना यहाँ से आवाजें आनी शुरू हो गई हैं लोगों को चीखने की, जिस तरह के झूलों पे आती होती हैं, फर्स्ट थिंग। और दूसरी यहाँ से उधर लाइटिंग वगैरह आने लग गई है। लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़। दैट्स हाउ दे and it looks so good. Like in a country like Australia, this is so good. And these are reminding me of Playland. Looking at them, it just reminds me of Playland. These are for kids. I wanna go that one. Let's see if we will be able to join that one or no. If they will not have a long queue, we will, because I have to go to work after this. Let's see. In there we have some stalls. जिस तरह ये है आई थिंक फोटो बूथ where they are taking family pictures. And then पीछे उन्होंने बेसबॉल टीम का रखा हुआ था। यहाँ पे यार this looks so nice, the brown one. And then we have here some signs. We make a lot in you know where. And then we have some henna artists here. Wow, I myself is a henna artist, so and they are face tattoo as well. Good job. After henna tattoo, they have I want to do it, but I'm not gonna because I'm very bad at aiming. And this one is nice. This one, it's cool, but ये बहुत बच्चों वाला है. I wanna see this one. I'm gonna ride this one for sure, no matter what. I'm gonna scream or what, but I'm gonna ride that one. Tornado. I wanna see what that one is. Oh my god, मुझे सब कुछ देखना है, bro. I am here for only 30 minutes and this is crazy. I don't wanna go back. Want someone in life who can win all these tough toys for me. Not all, like at least 1 or 2 man. आई थिंक कि आगे जो है वो बच्चों की है, तो हम यहाँ से वापस चढ़ेंगे। एक दो देख लेंगे, बट हम यहाँ से वापस चलेंगे क्योंकि बच्चों की गेम्स आगे सारी। We will go towards the eating section. Oh my god, camel riding. This looks nice, but it's gonna be a very short one. They have very fun activities for children ताकि वो engage रहे। और this is so nice, man. And I can see some bowling activities. Oh my god, that's not जो मैं लेना चाहती हूँ ना, वो अभी पता नहीं रुका है कि वो चला है। ठीक है, वो वाला मुझे नहीं पता कि वो रुका है कि चला है। मैं दुआ मांग रही हूँ कि वो रुका हो, क्योंकि मैंने उसे भी हिलते देखा है बहुत स्लो। ओ लोग अपने खास से उतर रहे हैं, आई गेस सो। अगर तो रुके तो बहुत अच्छा, तुम्हें मुझे जागते साथ ही जो है मिल जाएगी जगह। लेट्स सी। The thing is that I didn't realize that they have only 16 seats and we have this long queue. From all the way there to it's coming here and then we are standing here. Such a long queue and they have only 16 seats. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know after how many rides it's gonna be my turn, but let's see. animal barn over here, and you can go inside. Let's see what's in there. Oh, so you need a ticket to go inside, but they have all these animals on which you can ride. It's pretty amazing. So the way they have organized it is so good. So many animals, children can play with them, and it's so good. But it has a weird smell. Not weird smell, like the smell of a farm. And because मेरी इस टाइम तबीयत नहीं थी, और my nose is so sensitive right now, so I can't go inside. Oh my god. This is also so nice for people who love gaming, virtual reality cinema. This is so good. So for safety purposes, they have this first aid here, and then you can get information of anything. And they have one more entrance here. I want to see where does this entrance go. So on my way back, if it can give me a shorter pathway to go back. Let's see. And then these car rides. Mane ek dusre mein. Shabash. This one is my favorite one till now. And I'm gonna see if I can go in this one. मुझे इसकी टिकट की प्राइस देखनी और देखनी है कि मैं if I will be able to go on this one. I'm gonna stream a lot, but let's see. I'm not gonna record anything if I go on this one. I will not be able to record because I'm gonna be screaming. This slide is pretty amazing. It starts from there and then it comes all the way down here. Then they have this wooden piazza here. I'm not gluten intolerant, so I don't know. I never tasted it. Lemonade, and then one more. But I think these ones are like quite for children. I'm not gonna enjoy these. So I have like 8 minutes, and then I'm gonna leave. So yeah, let's see how it goes. And then I'm coming.
Food section area, and they have some food. Not food, I mean food stalls, and then they have some stalls here where you can get some chips, bonies, some presents, and then all the stuff which we normally have. And then of course, henna everywhere, henna. I'm also doing that, so I'm like, okay, this is good. Then fragrances, and then get some gas. They have mini donuts. Nice. I don't know. I use it. I don't know what is my favorite. So they have all these food here. Oh my god, I don't know what I was saying for that one.
So I know कि मैंने बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब किया होगा अपने कैमरे को, क्योंकि मैं आंखों से देखने पे ज़्यादा यकीन रखती हूँ as compared to camera. So whenever I'm recording, I'm not much recording while looking at my camera. They are doing some
games with this man over there. Human appeal. And then we have hot dogs, burgers, coffee and crepes. And then a lot of food. Like a lot of food. Oh, they have that crispies over there, so nice. So I'm thinking कि मैं एक जगह से start करके आपको सब कुछ दिखा दूँ, जो मुझे गेम नहीं है मैं वहाँ पे जाऊँ, एक अपनी गेम खेलूँ, उसके बाद मैं अंदर खाना पकड़ूँ और मैं रास्ते में खाते जाऊँ और मैं जॉब पे पहुँच जाऊँ. Let's see how it goes. So these are the cycles they have, and then juices, and then they have these ducks and waffles, and Korean corn dogs, Arabic fajita, but FYI, everything here is halal. And this is Tanapa, mocktails, not mocktails, they are fruit cocktails, Japanese fruit cocktails, sugar grips, and then Galata grips, little beaners, and then bubble tea, and then spiked siblings, and then they have something here, and then they have some falafels, and then coffee and crepes. Oh my god, my phone camera is really bad. Muslim, and then tacos, and then
and then we'll go for this man is doing such a great job. Such a good job.
The cone and then
Oh
go
my
back.
god.
Okay, are you
Giving
ready?
prizes over to
3,
the
2,
children.
1, go.
They're playing games and then he's giving them free gifts. Crazy.
Amazing.
Yippee.
Amazing. We have a win.
That was
I had a cardio, charcoal horse, simply, UV. So यहाँ पे desserts की बहुत ज़्यादा शॉप है, more than I expected it to be. So desserts की यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा शॉप है, यहाँ पे juices और desserts बहुत ज़्यादा है as compared to real food.
In this one, I don't feel that it's that scary. It will be, I think so, because this is going backwards. Backwards? You are not expecting it to be that much. Oh my god. I'm not sure if this one is scary or no. But I think kids are sitting on it, so it shouldn't be. So I'm gonna go take my favorite ride and then we will see what to do. I just came out of this and the ride was scary, of course, but it was fun. But it wasn't that scary where I'm gonna like start crying or anything of that sort. But it was a good ride. Okay, I will call it a good ride. I don't know, but it was too much fun because the people around me, they were having so much fun and they were shouting a few things which I can't see on camera, but yeah, it was a fun ride. Like everyone was enjoying it. It wasn't like buri hai ya kuch. It was a good ride. Yeah, it was a good ride. But एक मुझे चीज़ अच्छी लगी कि इंस्टेड ऑफ के आप अपना बैग कहीं और रखो, उन्होंने सब अपने बैग्स बीच में रख देते हैं. So she asked you to put everyone, ask you जिसे कहते हैं स्लिप ऑफ टंग. उस सबको कहती है कि आप ना अपने बैग जो है ना वो बीच में रख दो, मिडिल में, एंड देन आप उसके बीच में से बैठे होते हो. और वेरी फनी थिंग हैपेंड हियर. आई कांट लेट यू गाइस नो राइट नाउ, बट या टाइम टू ऑफ टू वर्क. सो आई विल सी यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. बाय. तो ये सुबह 11 बजे का शो स्टार्ट हुआ है, शाम के 6 बज गए हैं. सो जब मैं यहाँ पे आई थी तो तब इतना ज़्यादा रश नहीं था, लेकिन अब जैसे मैं बाहर निकल रही हूँ तो अंदर रश बहुत ज़्यादा होता जा रहा है 6 बजे. और ये देखें लोगों को पार्किंग नहीं मिल रही और सब कुछ. जब मैं आई हूँ तो सड़क ये वाली खाली थी, पार्किंग थी बट ऐसे गाड़ियाँ नहीं लग रही थी जिस तरह आप लगी हुई हैं. सो आई वुड प्रेफर कि अगर आपने कभी भी इस तरह की जगह पे आना है तो आप थोड़ा अर्ली आए, अर्ली होके चले जाएं. बट क्योंकि इनका 8 बजे जो है वो ड्रोन शो है, एंड 8 बजे जो इनका ड्रोन शो है, यार कभी कभार आप ब्लॉगिंग कर रहे हो तो आप इतनी प्यारी नजर देखते हैं कि आप वहाँ पे चुप हो जाते हो. खैर, हम कभी आदत हो जाएगी ये. तो हाँ, दैट्स इट आई गेस. ये पार्किंग फुल भरी हुई है, फुल. और ये सारी हालांकि यहाँ पे मार्केट लगती है तो ये सारी मार्केट की पार्किंग है. बट या, so that's it for today and I will see you guys in my next vlog. And I'm not sure when I'm gonna record it, but yeah, see you guys soon. Bye bye.